Welcome, I'm Amanda Blair and I have the absolute pleasure of showcasing this unique villa right in the heart of Sanctuary Cove. Not only is it set in a prime location, but it boasts the most stunning water views, northwest facing, extending almost 800 metres. Come, let's go take a look.
I really need.
This oversized villa truly feels like a home and it ticks all the boxes. It features a large shared pool, low maintenance living and a central location, just moments from the village's shops and restaurants. And with the added benefit of 2 security gates, this is a rare opportunity you don't want to miss.